But for Valentine's Day, there's a Reddit feed of husbands telling the story about how they knew that their now wife was the one. It's beautiful because none of them have ended in a bad
so don't be afraid to have on the phone 13 10 60, guys. We want to hear from you as well. But Sarah, how did you know that your husband was the one?
It's a bit of a this is like the 50% version. We went to primary school together, and he was the super short one, I was the really tall one. And we had a date in 6th grade, and he was like, oh, they took the tallest of the shortest, yay. And then fast forward, we had our 10-year primary school reunion. He had a girlfriend, so I went, yeah, whatever, bye. And then I added him on Facebook, and I'm like, oh my God, he got really hot. And then we just kind of went from there, and we've been together since 2008. We have 3 children, and we've known each other since 1992.
Wow.
Is he still the short one and you're the tall one?
Yes.
So he actually liked the comment, you got hot?
Yes.
He knew.
Yeah, he'd take it.
Yeah. It will work on a guy, but if a guy messaged a girl and said, hey, you got hot, I don't reckon it would get a positive response.
If they like him.
Yeah.
It's better than saying you used to be hot.
That's true.
Wade in Beanley, how did you know your now partner was the one?
So I'm gay, so I met him on a cruise, and ended up in his room that night, and woke up and found out the group I was with thought I was actually falling overboard, and they were ready to search the whole boat.
Meanwhile, you're just on the poop deck.
Yeah, pretty much.
What did they do? Did they have to page or door knock?
No, my name come over the speaker, the whole system, and the security was ready to search the entire cruise ship to find me.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how's it going now?
Yeah, been together about a year and 2 months now, and engaged.
Yeah. Hey.
Congratulations.
Hey Emma, how did you know he was the one?
We've got a pretty long backstory relationship. We've known each other since I was in grade 2, he was in grade 5, but we kind of didn't get together until really late in the stage. I was in grade 12, he was in the army, he came back for some cancer treatment. He's all good now, it's all happy stories and everything, but it wasn't until he had to go back to Wagga and we had a 2-year long-distance relationship and everything survived, and happy as Larry.
Oh, that's good, yeah. If you can survive a long-distance relationship.
Especially over 2 years. That was so no breaks.
Yeah, it would have been hard.
Yeah, no breaks at all in the 2 years?
No breaks at all. We had amazing communication. We saw each other really quite frequently considering the distance, and I flew down with his mum and I flew down on my own, and he came up regularly, so that actually helped it.
And good Wi-Fi as well for Skype dates.
Yes. Hey Chantel.
Hi guys, how are you?
Good. When did you know?
So me and my husband actually met when we were 14. We lived across the road from each other and went to high school together. And in my year 10 yearbook, my life goal was to become his wife. So pretty early on.
Oh, I love you've got that book.
I still have it.
What was his life goal?
I'm not sure, but hopefully it's the same as mine.
Yeah.
We've been married for almost 10 years now, so we've got 3 kids, and yeah.
When he proposed to you, did you say, life made?
Pretty much.
You know I said yes way back then.
Yeah, no, he's always been pretty amazing. I'm pretty lucky.
Oh, that's lovely. Well, happy Valentine's Day to everybody, and also to the singles. Tonight might be the night. If you go out, you might meet the one tonight. You might have that moment. So giddy up.
Maybe on the online dating, if you go out, you might see a little bit too much.
Yeah, stick around.
Couples out there.
A year's worth of free fuel. We've got that to give away next.
Hit 105. With 0 upfront deposit and 0 repayments until completion, you could own your own start point home.
Lights on flash on Creek Road at Green Meadow Road through Carindale, also Nudgee Road and Lamington Avenue through Hamilton. Multi-vehicle crash, Mount Gravatt Capella Road in the eastbound lanes around Broadwater Road through Wishart has delays back to Ham Road. A 3-car crash on Sherbrooke Road at King Avenue through Willawong. Just around the corner in Willawong, Bowhill Road still out of action between Blunder Road and Beatty Road, although a lot of people are ignoring those flooded signs. And also Stanmore Road at the Allan Walkie Bridge through Luscombe. Plenty of water over there as well. Want to get Foxtel? Well, the big Foxtel 2020 sale is now on. Get the world's best drama, sports, movies and Netflix all in one place. Search Foxtel or call 131 787. Shop a day. Back soon on Hit 105.
This Army Friday, it's all about that L-O-V-E.
I'm feeling sexy.
Let's do the wild thing. All day we're shining the spotlight on Valentine's Day.
Do it.
Talk dirty to Hit 105's R&B My Valentine Countdown. 69 of the sexiest R&B bangers. I'll take you to the candy shop. This morning from 9 on the station getting down and freaky for Valentine's Day. Hit 105.
Book a Kingston Park Raceway go-karting party and get more in February. More track time, more fun and more people. Book your party at Kingston Park Raceway and get one extra person free. kingstonpark.com.au. T's and C's apply.
WTF is happening at Nando's this Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. For just $11, you get a quarter peri-peri chicken, 4 barbecue ribs and a regular Saeed.
That's a quarter of Nando's flame grilled peri-peri chicken plus 4 delicious barbecue ribs and your choice of a regular side, including spicy rice, garlic bread, garden salad, or their famous peri-peri chips.
Get it all for just $11 Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, only for a limited time at Nando's.
The Kia Seltos is a game-changing small SUV, boasting a bold and cutting-edge design, class-leading 10.25-inch touchscreen that connects up to 2 phones, first-in-class sound mood lighting with Bose premium sound system, plus Australia's best 7-year warranty. The Kia Seltos small SUV will move you. I'm a bad guy. Seltos. Duh.
I'm putting together an event and I need the screens and sound equipment and all that jazz. I mean, it's not for jazz. It's for people talking, though we will need music, but probably not jazz. Oh, and a bunch of speakers and whatever they plug into. You know what I mean, right?
Yes, at Higher Intelligence, we know what you mean and we know what you need. For your next conference, event, or anything that needs all that jazz, search Higher Intelligence.
So then I said to the guy, I'm not worried about data, because I'm not. Oh, it's supposed to be a comedy night, mate. And then I told him, with Telstra Prepaid Max, I can data bank up to 200 gigs to use later. Well, that's actually quite compelling.
With Telstra Prepaid Max, you can data bank up to 200 gigs on Australia's best mobile network. For use in Australia, active recharge required to bank and access data.
Have you travelled on the upgraded Logan motorway? With speeds at 100 km per hour, you can save up to 20 minutes. The improved Logan motorway, the quicker way to go. Take it today.
They're more than just a pet. They're family. So if something happens...
Rupert's sick.
Give them care they can count on with RACQ Pet Insurance. We've been looking after Queenslanders of all kinds for over a century, so you can trust us to be there for your pet when they need us most.
Good boy.
Get RACQ Pet Insurance today. Buy online and save $50. Pet insurance issued by RACQ Insurance Limited. Consider the PDS at racq.com. Conditions apply.
Stav, Abby and Matt.
Power Shop, 100% carbon offset power you can be proud of.
The BMW Expo sale is on February 13 to 15 with exceptional opportunities. Visit Brisbane BMW and Westside BMW to secure your ultimate driving machine. Brisbane.
Hit 105.
Hey there, I'm Joseph Ogilvie, and if you've got kids with you, this news bulletin is safe for them to hear. Shouldn't be as wet across Brizzy today after yesterday's downpours sparked flash flooding and 12 swiftwater rescues overnight. QFest Assistant Commissioner Tony Johnston telling Nine the danger's not over though.
Looking at the weather reports this morning, yes, there's going to be more thunderstorms, so we're just watching the hinterland, Mount Tamborine, the coastline itself. For the southeast corner, we're just keeping a very vigilant look at the weather conditions, the rising water, because we've had a fair bit of rain in the backcountry, which will slowly come through as well.
A flood warning is still in place for the Logan and Albert rivers. Rain records have been smashed on the Gold Coast, with more than 600 mil coming down at Cooley Airport this week. Meantime, if you're thinking of heading to the beach, not a great idea. Huge swells on both coasts thanks to Cyclone Uesi. If you want to head out and about this weekend, tomorrow is the day to do it. It's got the lowest chance of showers. In some better news, there's been a 10% jump in our water supplies this week alone, now up to 65.6%. And details just coming in on a strange crash in Ipswich this morning. It's believed a cyclist was first hit by a vehicle and everyone was all okay, but 2 occupants then got out and were struck by another car on the corner of Brisbane Street and Marsden Parade at 6 o'clock, leaving 3 people injured. 1 man with a head knock is recovering in Ipswich Hospital and all are now doing okay.
The Jeep model year clearance is now on, including offers on the ever-stylish Compass and award-winning Grand Cherokee. Visit your Jeep dealership to start your summer adventure today.
Still a bit of wet weather on the way, just some lighter falls possible this Savo, heading for 30. The chance of showers a lot less tomorrow and Sunday, tops of 32 both days. And next, Stav, Abby and Matt could put you on the standby list to get free fuel for a year and live stress-free in 2020.
Back to Stav, Abby and Matt in 30 seconds.
There's been a hell of a lot of resources that have been lost to bushfires. The critical thing for us as beekeepers is the health of our beehives, and it's critically important to look after those bees.
Capilano is donating proceeds from specially marked green drought and bushfire relief packs to help struggling beekeepers and the precious bees they protect.
They really need a little bit of extra support to get them through these tough times.
Choose a helping honey. Choose Capilano, the great Australian honey.
Stav, Abby and Matt want to make 2020 the year you live stress-free. Hit 105.
Yes, we do. That means not having to think, do I have enough spare cash to put fuel in the car, because it's getting expensive at $1.70. A whole year of fuel, absolutely free, all thanks to the legends at RACQ and Puma Energy.
Yes, you need to register hit105.com.au so we can pay it for you. If you did register for your credit card to be paid off, you are in the running. So it's just if you haven't, but then make sure you keep listening for your name.
Yes, that's a big trick, because a lot of people think I've gone and done it online and now I'm done.
Yeah.
And then we get messages going, oh wait, you heard my name apparently 2 days ago, can I still be in the running? And we're like, terms and conditions, and then we seem like the bad people.
That's true.
Haven't learned by now, these prizes are somewhat of a bribe to make you listen to our radio show.
So, for the next half hour, we are bribing Cass Purcell of Northgate, Josh Maddox of Clontarf, and Cheryl Prasad of Chermside. That's Cheryl Prasad of Chermside, Josh Maddox of Clontarf, and Cass Purcell of Northgate.
13 10 60, that's the number. If you know those people, flick them a text as well and tell them to call us. RACQ members, they save 4 cents per litre at participating Puma Energy stations. Check it all out at racq.com/Puma if you want all the details. Now, I'm excited by this because everyone remembers.
You guys were really excited.
Rebecca Black, a couple of years, put this out, got internet famous. Now she is very attractive and very seductive.
Something's happened since we spoke about her.
Yes.
And I'm going to tell you what it is. It does involve you too.
Yeah.
Personally.
Mainly me.
No. Both of you together. You're both equally as awesome. Fun. Looking forward to the weekend.
Alright, Rebecca Black. Big Rebecca Black news next. RB Washing dried on the line.
Yeah, let's go back into our memories. 9 years ago, there was a song that was released on the internet. It also had a film clip because their parents paid for it. And
High budget, big high budget film clip.
people said it was a bit of an annoying song. This one. This is her now.
Oh, wrong.
Whoa.
Yeah, funny thing about that, it was shellacked pretty, like it was caned and everyone paid her out. But if she released that this day and age, she'd be the next JoJo Siwa.
I know, it was so popular. I think people were just saying because of the simple lyrics, and it wasn't like she expected it to go.
It was because it had a proper full-on film clip, and there was kids in it. She would have been, what, 12 at the time, if that, and they were acting like adults going out to party on the weekend in a Cadillac. And
Sounds like someone was one of the people that paid them out.
Well, I was doing the Hot 30 at the time, so it was like...
So you mocked the song?
I mocked the hell out of it. Like, I pretty much... It was... We played it in the countdown, because it got voted, but then it was,
It did.
you know...
People liked it, and you couldn't get it out of your head. Here's the thing. There was such a change in Maddie over there this week because I was explaining, she's come out on Twitter and said that she had such a hard time when it came out, and she was explaining how she had been bullied since, and she posted a photo of her now, said that she doesn't have the respect. Now, she